Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are good, fine, and energetic and waiting for something new. So please welcome to my English class. Here we learn a lot of new things, letter and phonics. So see the chart of alphabets. These are English alphabets. Here is a 26 alphabet and letter A is first alphabet. This is A. A says A. A says A. Now come on the chart of letter A. This is A. A says A. A alligator. A alligator. This is alligator. This is alligator. This is letter A. A says A. Ant. Ant. This is ant. This is ant. This is ambulance. A says ambulance. Ambulance. This is ambulance. A says apple. Apple. This is apple. This is apple. Now again, A says alligator and apple and ambulance. This is letter B. Letter B is a second letter of alphabet. B says B. Ball. This is B. B says B. Ball. Ball. This is ball. This is letter B. B says B. Bird. Bird. This is bird. This is letter B and B says B. Yes. Bell. This is bell. This is letter B and B says B. Balloon. Balloon. This is balloon. Again, this is ball. This is bird. This is bell. This is balloon. B says B. B. And here is a third letter of alphabet chart. This is letter C. C says K. And now come on the chart of letter C. Here is a lot of things. This is letter C. C says K. Cake. 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 This is cake. C says car. 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 This is car. This is carrot. This is carrot. 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 C says cat. Cat. This is cat. Now revise the lesson. This is letter C. C says k. Now come on the fourth letter of alphabet chart. This is letter D. D says D. Now come on the chart of letter D. Oh wow. This is D. D says D. Drum. Drum. This is drum. This is dog. 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 This is dog. D says D. Doll. Doll. This is doll. D says D. Duck. Duck. This is duck. This is letter D. And the sound of letter D is D. The dog, the doll, the duck, the drum. This is drum. This is dog. This is duck and this is doll. Hope you revise all the lesson and your first four letter a, b, k, and da. Hope you enjoy this lesson and you learn by heart these things. Goodbye. Have a nice day.